Hi everyone, it's Christy, and this is the second look in the makeup looks that I've created for Beautycounter for spring, and just really for women that are looking at really simple solutions on how to do their makeup really quick and beautifully using cleaner products. So as I'm minimalizing, simplifying my wardrobe, my accessories, my skincare, and my beauty, I want to pass these tips on to you because I found that I was always searching for where's my lipstick, what am I doing, like I've got stuff all over the place, and then the same with my clothing. And so I want to make it easy for those of you that are new to makeup, those of you that are veteran to makeup but want to make the switch to clean. These videos are for you. So the last video I just used 3 products. I used the Dew Skin, I used the caramel bronzing stick, blush stick, and I used the Buff lip gloss. I think I said shimmer, but it was the Buff lip gloss. So just those 3 for the uber naturalist. That was for somebody that is curious about makeup, still wants to look like themselves. Maybe they're really sporty and just need a little bit of coverage and color, and that was for them. So this one is for the clean beauty next level. So this is for somebody that wants a little bit more coverage, a little bit more color, and is willing to try some new things. So what I'm going to do is mix the TintSkin. Now, I just got my new tube, but this is my old one, and I just love it so much. I'm going to just use this up. I'm going to use the TintSkin for my complexion in honey, and then I'm going to mix it with the Dew Skin. This gives me a creamier, more glowy look to the skin. I also get the benefits of the both the moisturizer and the sunscreen, and it just is a softer, creamier look, like I said, to the skin. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that up. You can use your fingers. I absolutely love our retractable brush. You'll see me use this all the time. It blends, and you can see already it gives me more coverage by just using a little bit of the TintSkin. Sometimes we're so afraid of using foundation, thinking we're going to have one of those masks. It's all in the application and how you blend it with other products to make it more sheer and beautiful. And so we've got that. And I love the brush because the bristles just blend it so well. It's like you're airbrushed. Put a little bit on the lids, and I'm not using a concealer in this one because I want to show you how easy and quick you can take this look. See, beautiful finish. The reason I love the TintSkin foundation from Beautycounter is because it has hyaluronic acid, which makes your skin just hold in moisture. We need moisture unless you're really, really oily. We all need moisture. We need that. That's really what gives us the plump and glowy skin, and especially when you start to hit 40s and 50s, we need that hydration. So I can't say enough about this foundation. I will be trying some other ones this year and comparing them. I've played around a bit, and remember I had a Store and Eco Beauty bar here in Southern California, and at the time the foundations that I found I loved, but none of them trump how much I love the Beautycounter TintSkin. Hands down, I love the line. Okay, so I've got the TintSkin with the Dew Skin on my face, and then I'm going to take one color. Like if you were to choose one blush bronzer kind of color, I would say the Tawny Whisper. This can double as a kind of like a warm bronzer. It gives you a pop of color in the cheeks, in the apples of your cheeks, and you can also brush it on your lids. So this is a wonderful piece to have in your collection. You're going to just take, I love our contour brush too because it's nice and firm. It gives you that, you're able to like lightly contour as well as bringing color into the cheek. You can even just press it on the lid. So I'm just going to take both colors and put that right in the apples of my cheeks. Blush is so important, and I see a lot of times like when a woman has her makeup on and she looks really beautiful, whether it's a really natural look, something more glamorous, but she's forgetting that color. This is what gives you that that life in your face. It's that energy in your face that really lifts up the face. You can already see just by using it on one side how it's defining my cheek and just opening and brightening the face. That is the beauty of blush. So you're going to take that and just press it like that. Already I feel perky. You can take the darker color and lightly contour and just give warmth to the face. And then I'm actually going to take the brush from Beautycounter. This was from, I think, our winter palette collection. And I'm just going to take it and bring it up into the eye. And it doesn't look like eyeshadow. It doesn't look like anything, but it gives life to the eyelid and really makes the eyes pop. So we've got the Tawny blush. Now the mascara, everybody needs an eyelash curler. This one is from Shiseido. You can get it at Sephora. You can get it, I think, on Ulta. You can even order them on Amazon. It's a good one. My coveted Shuamora one is still my #1 favorite, but I wanted to buy one that was easier to purchase for my clients. So this is the one I'm using. So you're going to double curl and get the tips of those as well. Your eyelash curler is what is going to open and lift and make your eyes when you're, it's kind of hard doing it on this without a proper mirror. There. It's going to open up the eyes, and also because your mascara is going to weigh it down, the eye, when it's curled, you're already starting with a great palette, a great tool. So mascara, Beautycounter mascara. Now I've had some of my clients say not so thrilled with either the lengthening or the volumizing. When it first came out, I feel like it was stellar. I don't know what happened. They do dry out. I'm just telling you straight up that they do dry out. But here's how I use it, because I love how it seals in my mascara and it stays on longer. It becomes almost waterproof, even though it's not deemed waterproof. It's water resistant. It really locks in the pigment and it doesn't smudge. So I will be doing a video on a variety of mascaras, eco mascaras, because you don't want to use the crappy mascaras on your eyes, because those pigments and those chemicals go straight into the eye duct and straight into your bloodstream, so you want to keep them pure and clean. So I will be doing a review. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out 100% pure mascara. This is was my number, well, that and Color Caramel mascara were my top sellers at my Eco Beauty Bar when I had Belly Sprout. And so I decided to purchase it and see. I think the formula is not the same as when I had the store, but it's still a really good one. It's a lot juicier. The brush is really full. And I'm just going to go ahead and put my mascara on. No liner. And what you want to do is you want to get your mascara as close to the lash line as possible, so that it gives you the illusion that you have liner on, and it just gives some definition. And so there's just a little bit of mascara. Now remember, we're not doing some glam eyes, like the tutorials with all the lashes and, those crazy, crazy mascaras. You're just making it look like us, but fresher and prettier. And that's the school of makeup that I come from. Just highlight a woman's features, boost it up, and still make her look like herself, just brighter and more sparkly. Now, so here I've got the Just Pure Essentials, 100% pure on my lashes, and I'm going to go ahead and take a coat of Beautycounter right on top, and it will lock in my mascara for the day. And I'm telling you, it really does work. So next thing up is, I love the Terra. Terra is like a bridge, and Beautycounter. Terra is like a bridge between twig and petal. So it's got this soft kind of pink, but it is a very beautiful neutral. And I'm putting that on. For me, Twig is too muddy. It doesn't work with my skin tone. Terra, I find, looks beautiful on everyone. And you can see there's just a little bit of shimmer. Really lovely nude. I still have color, and because the nude, it is a nude, I like to bring color in the cheeks, therefore Tawny Whisper. And then I'm going to put the Buff lip gloss right over it. Oh wait, that's not Buff. This one is. Sorry. That was from the winter collection, so I'm not going to put that one on. And ta-da! So this is still a really pretty look for every woman. Like almost any woman can use. If you're darker skin tone, I would say go the Apricot Flamingo blush color. But otherwise, everyone can really use the Tawny Whisper. The Terra looks beautiful. A nice nude gloss on top and coats of mascara, and you're ready to go. So stay tuned for my next video where I take it to the next level. So we do like an everyday beauty, but just glammed up with eyeliner. We're going to change the lip color. The base is always going to stay the same. You're going to choose either your Dew Skin or your TintSkin. Maybe you use them together. Maybe you use your Dew Skin when you're running out, doing errands, going to the gym, going to soccer practice. Maybe you add a little bit of the TintSkin because you want a little bit more coverage, but you don't want a full face. Or maybe you use the TintSkin lighter or full face, whatever you want. There's a lot of flex room when you're playing with these. When you have both of them in your hands, you get to choose how to work them that works best for you. So don't forget to follow my YouTube channel, and make sure if you're on Facebook to join me at The Art of Beauty with Christy. It's my private Facebook page where I do this and more. I even do virtual makeovers. We talk about skin. We talk about cultural beauty. We talk about beauty rituals, beauty from the inside out, the whole thing. It's one of my favorite Facebook private pages because I get to explore all the things that I love about beauty. If you are interested to order with me, the link is down below. You can email me and I can set up a consultation. I can make the switch to greener much easier and very really naturally. I don't know. I think I need breakfast, you guys. Okay, YouTube, follow here, link below to order, and The Art of Beauty on on Facebook to join my Facebook group, and oh, ChristyFunk.com. Many blessings. Enjoy your beauty.